Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Nooie Cam Outdoor. Let's see some of the specs. 1080p Full HD with intelligent imaging to deliver incredible crispy and accurate image in any weather condition. Dynamic noise reduction, gamma correction, waterproof. It can take the heat, the cold and everything in between. Delivers flawless picture whatever is the weather. Motion detection, repel ports pirates, never miss a package or have one missing with emotion alerts. And of course the two-way audio communication and the alarm siren, definitely it will make the thieves to go away faster. Cloud or storage locally, store your footage on our secure cloud or your own microSD card, then rewind and review wherever you want. Night vision, swivel infrared lights provide a crispy night vision with a range up to 30 meters. Nothing you will miss at the night. You will see everything very clear. Well, we're gonna find out all that together. I'm going to guide you through all the process from the start to the end. Set up this camera to your network. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router to connect this camera. And we are gonna find out together all these specs and features, how they are performing at real time. Well, let's open to see what we have inside. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Nooie, together we make awesomeness happen. A card from the company. Some stickers. We've got our eyes on you. You're welcome. Okay. Now at the box we can see we've got the power adapter. It is a 5 volt 1 amp 5 watt is the power consumption. The adapter for mounting at the wall. You can screw this plastic at the wall with these screws inside this bag. You can see we've got many screws. We've got these 7 cable clips. You can use them for the cable, of course. They go here. Hammer it at the wall, concrete, soft brick or wood. We've got another 4 wall anchors for concrete or a soft brick. We've got 4 concrete screws and 4 screws for the wood. Nice, I like it. And with this wall mount plate, you can mount it permanently at the wall with 2 screws. And you can see we've got this metallic, it goes in and out. It will lock at this hole. Insert it inside. And you can see it will lock. It will go this metal at this hole and it will lock very well the wall mount plate. Great, I like it. Let's see, and the cable, it is long enough. I can see that is very good. It is about 3 meters, great. And we can see the base, it is rotatable 360. You can rotate 360 with no problem. You can adjust the angle from 0 to 80 degrees. Nice. And then rotate it, adjust it and find the right position that is more suitable for you. Here we've got the speaker. Of course it is for the two-way audio communication and for the siren. And inside this cap with the 2 screws, let's take them out. And there's the cap. We've got rubber around, prevent any water to go inside. And inside we're gonna find out the reset button. There's the reset button. You can press it, and of course we can see and the micro SD slot. And we can insert the micro SD. I have the 64 GB SanDisk Ultra XC1. And just press it and it will lock. And then you can screw it back on with a cap. I will not screw right now because I may need the reset button. Great. At the front, let's take this out. We've got the microphone, you can see this hole, the LED indicator up here, the lens, 1080p Full HD, Nooie logo, and of course around we've got the ER LED for the night vision, and of course I'm going to test it and at the night to see the performance. Well, overall I can say it has a nice design, I like it, it can fit to my palm. Well, let's download the Nooie app, make an account, register, and start the setup process. Power it on, add the device, Nooie Cam Outdoor. Please connect the camera near your Wi-Fi router before you install it outside. Make sure that the camera is powered on. Please wait approximately 15 seconds until the indicator light flashes red. Red light is on. Choose the 2.4 GHz network. Next. And it needs to read the QR code. Correct. Next. Pairing, please wait. Okay, connect it. Already install it. Camera installation, it will guide you through the process how you can install it at the wall, the camera. Already installed it. Name your camera, it is living room. Now let's log in. Well, it looks great. I can say the video quality, you can see everything very good. You can record from here. Save it to phone album. Take a screenshot, save it to phone album. You can trigger the siren alarm. The mic on. Testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Well, I can say the voice is very clear. Definitely you will enjoy the two-way audio communication. Communicate with the person that is in the front door. Give him instruction maybe where to deliver the package. Yeah, why not?
You can turn on the speaker and hear everything in the place where is the camera. Play back. And here you can play everything that is being recorded in this camera. Choose the days, the hour, and just play back. And let's go back. Now let me passing through the camera. And here I am. Hello guys, and there we've got the notification device from door motion detected. Yes, I am. And it looks very nice, it looks very vivid. Yep, very sharp, we can see everything. Hello again. And of course you can go to the notification, see notification, press go to the video, and you've got instantly the live view. Nice, I like it. Let's go to the settings. We've got the general, front door, owner, LED indicator off or on. You can synchronize the day, time, back, audio video, audio recording on, off, rotate the image if you want. Depends how you're going to install the camera. Startup sound, on or off, night vision off or auto, detection, motion detection, on or off, sensitivity from low, medium, high, detection zone, on. Set a motion detection zone to help filter alerts, drag to move and adjust the size of the zone, edit, you can adjust from here and save. Schedule, you can choose schedule, you can choose the hour, minutes and the days of the week. Save. And again you've got another two options. Back, sound detection, turn it on, high, medium, and you can schedule the same. You've got three options. Well, let's see if it will work. Let's go back. Device front door sound detected. Okay, it's working. You can share the device, you've got the storage, Free total, you can format your SD card, and supports by Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and you can remove the device. Now let's see how it looks at the night. And there is the night vision. Let me pass through again. There I am. Well, definitely you can see the other person where is in the front of the camera. Hello guys. Nice. And I think it's looking great. 1080p. It is acceptable and the night vision. You can see the other person and you've got a notification. Motion detected. Nice. Well guys, that was all about this Nooie outdoor cam. Definitely I'm sure you will enjoy it and find the right place to install it. If you need to buy it, you can check down below the description, you can find a link, more information and where you can buy it. One problem that I came across is none of the footage they have sound. The audio recording from the app settings is on, but no sound at the footage. I don't know why it's happening that. I have tried many times, but no sound again at the footage. Video quality at the day and at the night, I think it is acceptable. It's doing a good job. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.